Hi, it's Mike Wilson with Nova Real Estate Group. Today I want to talk about the current real estate market in Loudoun County, Virginia. As always, I like to sort through all of the plethora of market data and drill down into a couple of things that I think easily illustrate what's going on in Loudoun County right now. So I've got pulled up here on the screen a simple chart. This is the months of supply in Loudoun County. Now this is countywide. So, excuse me, we've drilled down from national level, not very helpful, regional level, not very helpful, state level, still not very helpful, down to the county level. We're starting to make a little bit of sense out of it. So in Loudoun County today, we have 3 months of supply. So that would be the number of listings on the market represents 3 months of supply. Now a balanced market is about 6 months of supply. So 3 months of supply is a strong seller's market, meaning that there are not enough houses for sale for the buyers that want to buy them. So that's competitive and favors the seller's market. You also notice on this chart that the new listings are high. Now the colored part of this chart is 5-year averages for this month, and so the new listings are far above the averages, 5-year average for this month. But that just simply means that there's a lot of building going on in Loudoun County, so that means that there are more new listings, more new activity than the 5-year average. But still, it is a very strong seller's market as indicated by the month of supply. Let's look at it from a different perspective. So as a home seller, the days on market is a good indicator of expectations. The median days on market on the left-hand side, left-hand chart shows median days on market at 28, so under 30. So that's actually kind of a low number. That's relatively fast. The average days on market, however, is more than twice that. It's up over 70. And if you think about it, what that really means is median is you add up all of the houses that sold, how many days on market were they, take the absolute middle number, that's the median. But what that means is that there were some houses that were way high days on market. So what this is really telling us is that the best houses sell quickly, and maybe even with multiple offers, but certainly the best houses sell quickly. But just because it's a seller's market does not mean your house is going to sell quickly if you're a home seller. To get an average of 71 that's so dramatically higher than the median, that means that there are a lot of houses that are really, really languishing on the market and staying on for a very, very long time. So the story here is that, and it's always true, but it is markedly true today, the good houses sell. So the three things, is the house priced right? Does the house show well? And is the house marketed well? And those houses going very, very quickly. So relatively low median days on market, and that's indicative of the good ones selling quickly. But no guarantees, even in a strong seller's market. The average is very, very high, which means some are staying on well above 70, 100 days, 200 days, and that's kind of counterintuitive in a strong seller's market, but it's absolutely what's happening here. And the last thing that I would point out is, and this has been true in the last few reports that I've talked about, I've got a chart here that is showing days on market again for at the subdivision level. So Willisford, for example, we do a lot of business in Willisford. Those houses are, there's not as much inventory. This is really drilled down. But what this says is the good houses in the sought-after areas are going very quickly. So this is the strongest possible seller's market. And even if you look at, say, Lowe's Island, 4 days on market is average days on market now, and last year this time last year was 72 days on market. So can be dramatic swings in relatively a small area, dramatic swings in the inventory really changes the number of days on market and how competitive that area is. So the story here is, just because we're talking about Loudoun County having a strong seller's market, some areas do have an extremely strong seller's market, and others have more of a balanced market and even a little bit of a buyer's market if you drill down enough into different subdivisions. So make sure that your real estate agent is an expert in the areas that you're looking in and can read these market conditions, because it would be quite a bit different selling your house in one of these areas that has like Lowe's Island versus one of the areas that has a very high days on market. And those all exist right here in Loudoun County, even in a very strong seller's market. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions about your specific situation, if you just want to know what your house is worth, connect with us on our website at novarealestategroup.com and look for the button that I have highlighted here to get a free home value report. It's the quickest and the best way to start to get the value of your own house. And if you have any other questions about your situation, please pick up the telephone and give us a call, 703-722-8831. We look forward to talking to you.